This one tastes cheap. Should have left that for guests. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Ellarie here. This is gonna be my last video of the year. We about to be up in 2019, you know. And I actually convinced myself that I wasn't gonna film for the rest of the year just because I still have a lot to do. You guys, some of you guys know I've moved and I'm not officially moved all the way in. Like, I got a lot done, but still got a lot to do. Hence, this will not be my filming room, but it's the only place where I have somewhere to sit and have a desk. My filming room right now looks like, there's really no other words I can say to describe it besides hot shit. If you could get an idea of what that looks like, hot shit, that's what it looks like. But I did want to record one last makeup toot of the year. It's really just gonna be like a nice little New Year's Eve inspired eye look. Don't know how I'm doing my makeup for New Year's Eve, so I'm kind of practicing right now with y'all. I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to do all the new reviews that came out for the holiday collections and all that and that. But I thank you all who have understood my transition process. You know, I've been stressed out. Even though I still got a lot to do, I just want to fit this video in to give you guys some New Year's Eve inspo. So I'm thinking of doing like a cranberry brown smoky eye with a little glitter. You guys will see that if you continue to watch. But first, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. You don't want to go into 2019 without subscribing to your girl, because look, when this transition thing is over with, y'all gonna be like, y'all don't think I'll be recording enough videos, but next year y'all gonna be like, okay girl, calm down. Like, you're looking a little thirsty with the video, like calm down. Because I just have so many goals. I'm about to do my vision board in a couple of days. I just want to be able to create content that I love, even if it's stuff that you guys are normally used to. There's just other things I want to do besides makeup. A lot more I want to do on Yoshi's channel. So hopefully you guys are subscribed so you can see how that goes. And I'm just gonna shake my ponytail a little bit because I like to. Let's get started. All right, so y'all know I'm always trying to make things as simplistic as possible, but still give you that glam, a simplistic glam. Nothing's changed. I always try to work in one palette when I can. And today is gonna be an all matte palette. This one is called Lolita eyeshadow palette from Kat Von D. All mattes. You got some berries, you got some mauves up in here. I did want it to be a little more glam than this, so I think next year I may do like a simple glam and then like a BAM glam, you know what I mean? Because I just feel like, you know, when I look at my old videos and old pictures, I just feel like I was a lot more risque. And I've been playing too safe. I don't know if it's the old age or what, but I want to get more of that color, that bold. And I just feel like I've just been playing it too safe, but you know, we ain't about to wipe up this eye. We just about to go with this flow right here. My eyebrows are done, of course, nothing else on my face, but we're gonna prime this eye. This is CoverGirl's Lid Lockup. And the first thing I did was I grabbed this Lolita shade right here. And this is Morphe's M575 brush. And with Kat Von D shadows, I really like her shadows because they're really pigmented. They kind of remind me of Melt Cosmetics shadows, where the color payoff is bomb and you don't need much to get it. So usually I just always tap in very lightly at first, like bam bam, and then I kind of stamp it on and then blend it out. So I always start over here, I kind of stamp it on with the brush, and then I blend it out in circular motions. And I go back in with the shadow the same way, just a couple taps, and then stamp it on and blend it out. I'm using this one right here, this matte berry shade. I'm gonna go right kind of over that same color but a little below and blend that in the crease. Then I just grabbed this flat synthetic brush. I have no idea where it's from. And then I went back into Lolita, and I'm just gonna pat that over my lid. So now I'm just going to go back with the steps with Lolita and Corazon. Hopefully in 2019 I'll learn how to read. I'm just gonna go back with each of those shades and brushes and get my transition just how I like it. I even went a tad in with Eternal, this dark purple shade right here, and this small tapered blending brush, and I added just the smallest amount in the crease to add a little bit more definition. Barely tapped in the shade. Now for my lid shade, if you are trying to wear glitter for New Year's Eve and you want something that's easy, not messy, and quick, your best bet are like the liquid glitter eyeshadows. A lot of brands have these now. This one is from Too Faced. This one is called Macchiato Madness. ColourPop's glitter pots are bomb as well, but it's really easy to just dip your finger in and go over your lid. You don't even need eyeshadow underneath. A lot of brands have them, but there is a difference between the metallic ones and the glittery ones. You definitely want to find some with more glitter in them if you want that glittery look. Otherwise, the metallic ones are bomb as well, but I'm just talking about if you want glitter. If you want glitter, this is the easiest ways to apply them. I wear these with and without shadow underneath. Today, obviously, I'm wearing shadow underneath, and I just gently tap it all over the lid. Bam, you got glitter eyeshadow without the mess. And if you want it to be even more sparkly, you could use like a metallic or a foiled eyeshadow underneath as opposed to a matte shadow, or you can use no shadow underneath at all, and the color payoff is a lot better because I've used these several times. This is my first or second time that I've used it with a matte shadow, and I feel like sometimes the matte shadow mixed in with the glitter kind of mutes it out. But yeah, try like a foiled metallic shadow underneath or no shadow underneath for more glitter. Now I'm gonna do my face, which is unfortunately for you guys the same as I've done majority of the year. These are, I feel like I should leave the year with my staple things that I normally use, and then next year I'll start giving other things more chances, because I feel like even though there's stuff this year that I've tried on my face that I loved, I always end up just getting back in my comfort zone or using the stuff that I normally use. So, but I also kind of switch things up more when I run out, because I have so much other stuff to use before buying new stuff. So like when this stuff runs out, usually that's when I start switching things up. Just like this primer that I actually love. It is from GLAM, the Smoothing and Blurring Effect Pore Refiner Primer. I use this one a lot. I got it in Paris when I didn't have my makeup, and even though it was $40, I still love it a lot. So I probably would buy this again. Still been using my CoverGirl in D40 and D50. This is Tarte's Shape Tape in Deep. Sasha Buttercup Powder. My CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer. And my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark. Alright, I still gotta do my highlight, but my highlight and my lashes are upstairs. So we're just gonna finish the eyes really quick. I think I'm gonna use the one I couldn't pronounce, this matte berry shade on my lower lash line. And I'm gonna apply it kind of heavily because I kind of want the bottom of my eyes to be a little smoked out. So after I have it there pretty heavily, I'm gonna use a smaller blending brush to kind of just blend it out so it's not so choppy. I'm gonna add some black liner per usual. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 liner in Perversion. Ooh, she looking sassy. She looking sassy. I'm gonna add some liner. This is CoverGirl's 320 liner. I think I'm gonna try these Ardell Double Up lashes. They look nice and fluffy, like I like them. Let's see how these are gonna look first. Let's see. Oh, it's so sad that I'm about to be this cute and ain't got nowhere to go, no one to see, nowhere to be, except in front of my TV. I should have been a rapper. Let me find my mascara. Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. Add some mascara to my real lashes. They're looking a little dusty. And I always like to add just a little to the tips of the lashes to kind of make those stand out through my eyeshadow. I think this is gonna be my look because this time I'll be looking all night. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. How do you do? Oh, no thank you, yes. Oh yes. Single? Yes, I am actually. For my highlighter, I'm going to use two of Artist Couture's, one of the pressed, one of the loose. That's how I like to wear my loose highlighters. I like to put pressed underneath. So I'm glad he came out with these. This one is Honey Drip. I've worn this a few times on my channel. And then I'm gonna put some of the Jacquiana collab and LaBronze Germs right on top of that. And I'm also going to put this in the corners of my eyes. I'm going somewhere tonight. I don't care. I'm going somewhere. I think I'm gonna keep the gloss. I was gonna try on a matte, but I'm feeling the sexy vibes of the glitter with the gloss, so I think we're complete. So I hope you guys enjoyed my final makeup tutorial of 2018. I hope you guys have a great new year. I pray that you guys continue to be viewers of my channel and social media. It means a lot to me, more than you guys probably know or will ever know. But I appreciate you guys' support watching my videos and showing love to me and Yoshi. Definitely appreciate it. And I'm definitely wishing you guys an abundance of blessings in 2019. Whether your New Year's plans have you out of the country or out at the club or on the couch eating, which I have spent a few years doing. I just hope you guys bring it in safe and happy and I don't know, try to just have positive vibes around you going into the new year. Make sure you guys set out your goals, your vision boards, so you can go into the new year with a fresh start. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.